Hello, I'm Naomi, and today I'm going to share some active birth positions with you. You can use these throughout your pregnancy to help ease any aches and pains you may be experiencing, and also to practice them ready to use in labour. Please take care of your own well-being. If any of these positions feel uncomfortable or don't feel right, stop them immediately and do seek the advice of your healthcare provider or midwife before doing anything a little out of the ordinary. So the techniques I'm going to share today are all about encouraging your baby to get into the best position ready for birth. That position is with their head down, facing your spine. So then his or her spine will be mirroring your bump. Babies can turn at any point during the last few weeks and can actually turn during labour. However, all of these positions will be encouraging your baby into the best position in advance. So the first one, whenever you're sitting, you want to be keeping yourself in an upright position as possible. If you're slouching and leaning back, you can be encouraging your baby to be leaning back. Their spine is the heaviest part of them, their back, so that is going to go to wherever gravity is. So to keep yourself sat upright, make use of cushions and just support yourself and make yourself comfortable with your body in an upright position. Making use of an exercise ball during pregnancy and labour can be really helpful. It allows you to keep in that upright position. Ideally, your hips should be above your knees, again to be using gravity to encourage your baby into the right position. It can also be a fantastic position to use in early labour as it gives access to your back and shoulders, so your birth partner could be massaging your back for you or using acupressure techniques if that feels right for you. You can also use this during pregnancy. It can just be really nice to help open up your pelvis and just sort of get some flexibility in this area. You can also use a birth ball to lean on. I've covered it with a towel for two reasons. The first is these things obviously smell a bit rubbery and can be quite cold, so it just makes it more comfortable for you. But it also means that then if you're birthing away from your home at a birth centre or hospital, you can just take your towel or blanket with you and then lay that over the birth ball that they may provide for you. This then also creating an anchor, so it will have your scent on, it will smell of your washing powder, for example. And if you're using it in the last couple of weeks, you'll actually be getting your scent onto it as well, which then can be a really nice anchor during labour. So you can just get yourself into a comfortable position and then just lean on your arms. You can also lean in other positions. So you could lean on your sofa. Again, using cushions to make yourself comfortable. And what this is doing is just allowing your baby to get into that optimal position. You can also lean against the wall. So this one is really nice. And in that position, again, you can just be moving your hips, opening your pelvis, and just doing whatever feels right for you at the time. Another really good position is just getting on all fours. Again, just leaning forward and just allowing your bump to be using gravity. Squatting is fantastic during the last trimester of pregnancy. So be aware that your body is obviously producing hormones that will allow your body to become more flexible. So just be really aware of what you're doing, and if there's any discomfort whatsoever, then ease off. This is a great position for watching television. You're just supporting your back against the sofa. You can lean slightly forward if that feels comfortable. And what you're doing is just opening your pelvis, but also training your legs So on your knees and your thighs, this is quite a strenuous position if you're not used to it. And the more you do it in the 3rd trimester, the more prepared you'll be to use this position in labour. You can also use cushions if that feels right, and just get yourself into a cross-legged position. Again, supporting your back if that feels right. And if you are flexible, then you can just go into the yoga pose. Again, opening up your pelvis, and you could also just bounce very gently in this area if that feels right for you. The best position for you to be relaxing and sleeping in during the last stage of pregnancy is sleeping on your left-hand side. So either doing this in bed or maybe listening to your hypnosis MP3s during the day. Just lying down and possibly placing a cushion below your knees, just allowing your spine to be straight and your hips to be symmetrical. And this is just a really nice position for you to relax in, and again will be encouraging your baby into that optimal position. This is a great position as well for the first stage of labour, as will be allowing you to relax or even sleep in between contractions. I really hope you found this video useful. I would love to hear if there are other positions that you're finding comfortable during pregnancy, and then do report back on what you used during your labour and birth.